The 2025 Volkswagen Jetta Sport, brought to you by Berge Volkswagen, presents a sleek and contemporary exterior, blending elegance with a sporty edge. Its streamlined silhouette is accented by sharp character lines and a bold front grille, giving the Jetta a refined, yet athletic look. The LED headlights and taillights enhance its modern appeal, while the 18-inch black alloy wheels and black exterior mirror caps, exclusive to the sport trim, add a touch of aggressiveness. With its aerodynamic profile and eye-catching design, the Jetta Sport stands out as both stylish and dynamic. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta Sport delivers 158 horsepower and 184 pound-foot of torque, offering an engaging and fuel-efficient driving experience. The turbocharged engine provides responsive acceleration, while the available 6-speed manual transmission adds an extra level of control and excitement for driving enthusiasts. For those preferring an automatic, the 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and efficient shifting. The Jetta's agile handling and composed suspension make it a joy to drive, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The 2025 Jetta Sport offers a surprisingly spacious rear seat for a compact sedan, providing ample legroom and headroom for backseat passengers. The supportive seating ensures comfort on longer drives, while the overall cabin design provides a pleasant environment for all occupants. The 60/40 split-folding rear seats enhance the car's practicality, allowing for easy expansion of the trunk space when needed. With generous space and thoughtful design, the Jetta's back seats are ideal for both family and friends. Inside, the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta Sport features a clean and driver-focused cabin that combines comfort with a sporty aesthetic. The seats are upholstered in premium sport cloth, offering both style and durability. The flat-bottomed, leather-wrapped steering wheel with contrast stitching adds a performance-inspired touch. The interior is designed with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and a minimalist layout that ensures all controls are easily accessible. With its blend of style, comfort, and functionality, the Jetta's cabin creates a refined yet engaging driving atmosphere. The 2025 Jetta Sport is equipped with a range of advanced technology to keep drivers connected and entertained. At the center is the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The Volkswagen Digital Cockpit, a customizable digital instrument cluster, puts important driving information directly in the driver's line of sight. Other tech features, such as wireless charging and a premium audio system, further enhance convenience and entertainment, making every drive enjoyable. Volkswagen has outfitted the 2025 Jetta Sport with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features designed to protect its occupants. Standard features include forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The Jetta also offers adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, providing additional peace of mind on long highway drives. With its comprehensive safety features, the Jetta Sport prioritizes active safety and driver confidence. Convenience is a highlight in the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta Sport, with a range of features designed to simplify everyday driving. Keyless entry with push-button start allows for easy access and ignition, while the dual-zone automatic climate control ensures personalized comfort for both driver and passengers. The Jetta's spacious trunk and practical design make it a versatile choice for daily commuting and weekend getaways. With various storage compartments and a user-friendly cabin layout, the Jetta Sport offers convenience for both drivers and passengers. The 2025 Volkswagen Jetta Sport is a well-rounded compact sedan that combines sporty design, efficient performance, and advanced technology. its sleek exterior and turbocharged engine make it both stylish and fun to drive, while the spacious interior and advanced safety features ensure comfort and peace of mind. With a focus on convenience and connectivity, the Jetta Sport is ideal for drivers seeking a dynamic and practical vehicle. Whether commuting to work or taking a road trip, the 2025 Jetta Sport delivers a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. Give us a call today at 480-646-4858 or visit us online at bergevw.com.